Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It gives me great pleasure today to be able to announce the winner of the 1-year anniversary bowl. We've been taking track of all the comments left on videos for the last few months, and we have a list of winners for each video, which we're very soon going to put into an app on the internet to randomly choose just one winner. And that person, I'll leave it up to them to contact me, and then I could take their details and then send them this bowl. At present, I don't know who that winner is. So if you're watching this now, then don't worry, it could still be you. I don't know who it is, but we're going to find out very soon. Before we do that though, I would like to thank everybody who's helped support the channel over its first year. The growth of the channel has been well beyond my wildest expectations. It's been an absolutely incredible journey, and I've met and had numerous conversations with lots and lots of amazing people. So thank you all for helping me achieve what we've managed to achieve. So without any further ado, I'm going to swap over now to my computer screen and we'll choose the winner. Thank you. Okay, hi again. Right, we're on a random picker website. I'm just going to replace the default text there with all our list of winners from each video. I think there's about 33 in total. If you look carefully, maybe I'll see your name. When I press this button, it'll bring us up our winner, and that's K9 Insomniac. Well done, K9. Thank you very much indeed for your support, and thank you to everybody else who's entered and has been in with the chance to win. We are going to do another competition soon. I don't know quite what that's going to be, but I will let you know as soon as I've decided. But apart from that, thank you so much indeed for everybody for your support, and I'll see you again soon. I tried with the red lorry, yellow lorry, but I can't even say that.
If I stay here...
Make me laugh.
No, if I stay here...
Don't giggle.
I'm not going to. If I stay here...
You might.
Hmm?
You might.
If I stay here...
All right, okay.
And just tell you have to do it right this time.
All right.
Or else.
Mm-hmm. Right, let's give it a go. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel.